So this was a super spontaneous trip to Tagaytay. Medyo tight ang budget. Pero syempre gusto pa rin namin ng good food and good vibes. Kaya we check out Kuuma Cacao Cafe. And if mahilig ka sa kakanin at tsokolate baterol, this is the spot. Ang fresco setup, malamig at ang ganda ng view. Kita mo pa ang taal. Ito yung in-order namin, bibingka plus tsokolate baterol combo. Since gabi na rin, tamad na kami umuwi, naghanap kami ng budget-friendly place to stay. We found Casarama Hotel, sobrang ganda ng place, clean, cozy, and mukhang bago pa. May Netflix, maayos yung aircon, and kompleto na for an overnight stay. So here's the outside. The entrance, the mini play area, and sobrang cute ng mga feeder plants. Gusto ko na nga manghingi, char. Perfect to if you're staying for a few days or kung maaga kayo nag-check-in. Siyempre, hindi pwedeng mawala ang food. We had our lunch here at Halo-Salo. And guess what? Kami lang tao sa buong resto. Parang narent namin yung buong place. Unang dumating is their iced Spanish latte. Creamy nito guys. Bawal ako sa kape pero hindi ko talaga mapigilan. Sarap. Then this tosilog with mango on the side. Grabe. No words. Legit na 1 million over 10. Good for 2 pero nag-add pa kami ng rice kasi bitin sa sinangag. Walang taba yung tusino. Sobrang sulit. Zoom in tayo para sabay-sabay tayong matakam. As in, nagutom ako habang in-edit ko to. And finally, this saging halo-halo. Creamy. Sobrang malinamnam. Tingnan nyo yung ice. Sobrang pino. And they use agata instead of plain milk lang. Again, no words for this. Tikman nyo na lang. So overall, Tagaytay on a budget. Check, check, check. Till next Lakwacha. Bye!